Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will be creating the client for our server, our chat application for local networks. So here's the code for the server. That was in my last two tutorials. Now we're going to start the client. So new project, console, YouTube client. Can't see the button. Okay. It's creating it. There we go. Okay, we need the same as last time, using system.net, using system.net.sockets, using system.threading. Okay, the variables that we need: static string name equals nothing, static int port equals 9000 because that's going to be our default port, static IP address IP, and I think that's and the socket. Okay, I think that's all we need. Then and a thread. Okay, good thing about this program is we basically are repeating what we did last time, so we can copy and paste most of it. So I'm going to copy and paste receive function because that's exactly the same. As you see, exactly the same, except here we do SCK, and then we need the rec to equal a new thread to rec v. Then we need console.writeLine please enter your name, then string name equals console.readLine. Then we need console.writeLine please enter the IP of the server, and then we need the console IP equals new IP address, and it needs to be with IP address.parse, and we need console.readLine. Then we need the same for the port. I can't be bothered to write out all the stuff for the port, that whole line there, so I'll just copy that. Please enter enter the port. Okay, then we need to go SCK equals new socket, address family dot internetwork, socket type dot stream, and then protocol type dot TCP. Okay, SCK with that dot connect, and then we need new IP endpoint. We need the IP and the port, and now we can start doing our connection. If that while SCK.connected, we want it to have a byte array, but send data equals encoding dot default dot get bytes, and then we need console dot read line, but also you might also remember we need the name, like that, and then we need sck.send sdata 0 sdata.length 0, and then that will send that. Okay, also after we've connected, we want to sck.send, oh wait there, I just want to create a byte array for a second, call it con msg equals encoding dot default dot get bytes, and then we're going to go name plus that, and then plus has connected, and then we need to send this con msg dot 0 dot con msg dot length and 0, and then we need to, after we've connected as well, we need to start rec, and now I think we're done. So the only problem is we can't start both of the things at the same time on Visual C#. So I'm going to pause the video a sec and find where I've saved this. Okay, here's the server from last time, and then we need to run this, the client, well, building it. Here we go. Okay, so first we enter the name, server, enter your host port 1000. Okay, I've got a firewall message. If you get one of those, just allow. And then in here we need client. This can be anything, by the way. Please enter your IP. So we're going to use the IP up here. So 192.168.0.3. Please enter the port. And then up on our server it's connected, so if we send hi, we get hi. If we send cake. If we send the thingy loads of stuff, it sends us loads of stuff. If we do that, that sends that. I don't know why it's glitching up there. It's just because we're entering it too fast. But that's how you create a socket chat program in C#. Thank you for watching. Bye.